We just bought this G-Scale SD70 from Jeff at Shawmut Car Shops. Just came in the mail the other day, and we wanted to try running it for you. We haven't got a chip in it yet for DCC, so we're running it on the default setting until we do. And that's why we haven't got the handrails on yet either, until we get the chip put in. These cars probably don't match an era to this engine. However, there's some that were donated to the store society, to the railroad depot here by Jeff. So we wanted to put them along with them.